Alright guys, what we're going to do today is the ARE219, the RX7 RX8 oil cooler thermal pellet install for you, because some of you people seem to be having some problems, but that's alright, that's what we're here for. Take your wrench, 22 millimeter. Oh yes, yeah, I already loosened it. Pull out your thermal pellet that's already installed. One unit. If you look down the sides, where's my camera at? You'll find 4 little notches. One there, one there, one there, and one there. There's a snap ring inside of this. So what we're going to do is we're going to stick our pick down in there and pry that snap ring over and out. Go around to the next one and pry it over and out. Work your way all the way around this. And they're going to come out eventually. One more somewhere. There it is. See the snap ring right here? You want to retain that for future reference in case you ever want to put it back in. So you'll have that out, you'll have that out. Take your thermal pellet, the new one. Install thusly, install into cooler. Tighten down. You're done.